In this DomainGPT review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your own domain registrar business and actually sell domains to businesses and make a profit. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out DomainGPT, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. We've got a ton of extra bonuses listed here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page together. It says leverage the power of AI to uncover expensive domains for 5 cents a pop. First AI app to build you a profitable domain business from scratch, letting you register unlimited ultra cheap domains and sell it for hundreds. And they say making us $785.56 per day. So they're saying that they're making money doing this, doing the whole domain thing. Now, I'm always skeptical when it comes to proof like that. I really need to see it to believe it. But like these things right here, these are all Warrior Plus screenshots. So it's not really, doesn't really have anything to do with domaining, unless they're doing like review sites or something. So just be aware of that. A lot of times these sales pages have like these screenshots has nothing to do with domaining. So I don't know. If you're going to buy this, buy it because you want a software that's going to create these different sites for you. And I'm actually going to show you what a site looks like, and not because you think you're going to make magical money overnight with this. So let me scroll down and show you here. If you do end up purchasing, you're going to get access to all these different things here: the app, the AI, the clients on demand, profitable mobile edition, the training. However, that being said, you're going to want to make sure you move your mouse away, as you can get a $2 discount off this. I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go over and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then we're going to come back. I'm going to show you a real site created with this, the backend area, the OTOs and discounts.
Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to introduce you with our brand new app Extreme Domain, which allows you to sell domains just like GoDaddy, Namecheap and so many other platforms without ever owning these domains. Now, the cool thing about Extreme Domain is that upon your registration, you are going to get your very own fully fledged cloud app. Ending on which domain name you have picked, you should get something like this: yourdomain.extremedomain.site, all with SSL and everything ready to go. This is how the page should look like. Now look over the main page before we dive into your admin area. From here, your customer can find their business name using AI. Then they can generate the domain for their business name. Also, they can search the domain from here. Then they can see who is information of any domain. They can use reverse IP lookup. Then they can see the domain location. Also, they can use the DNS lookup feature. Let me show you how. If someone wants to find a business name for their online business, they just need to put here the keyword and click on get names. The system will generate name for their business. They just need to pick one of the names from here. Now they can generate domain for their business. Just go to the domain generator, enter the business name here and click on generate. And these are the domains available for this business name. They can buy any of them from here. Now let's go to the who is information section. They can see the information from here. They just need to put here the domain name. And click on get who is. And this is how they can see the who is information. Also, they can use the reverse IP lookup. They just need to enter the IP address here and click on lookup. Then go to the domain location. They can see the domain location from here. Just need to put here the domain name. Click on get location and they will see the domain location from here. Also they can see the DNS lookup. Just need to put here the domain name and click on query DNS. They will see the domain DNS information. Now let's dive into the admin area. This is the login page of the admin area. You need to log in with your email ID and password. Then just click on login now. So from the admin area, you can modify your Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable. You will have full control over your site and you can customize everything from the admin area. Like you can set up the general settings from here. You can change the logo, you can change the favicon, you can change your website title, footer. Then you can add custom HTML. And from the SEO settings, you can configure the SEO settings for your website. Then from the tools section, you can enable the different tools on your website or you can disable them. Then from the ad spots, you can configure the ads for the predefined ad spots on your website. From the additional asset, you can add additional CSS or JavaScript in your website. From the contact settings, you can modify the contact page settings of your website. Like here is the contact us page, you can modify it from the contact settings section. And from the API settings, you can edit the API keys for Google reCAPTCHA and exchange rate API. Then from the currency settings, you can active or deactive currency selection from here. You can enable or disable currency from here. Also you can make default currency for your website. And from the features and FAQ, you can add or remove features and FAQ from your website. Like here the FAQs, here the features of your website. Then from the header and footer links section, you can add or remove links from the header and footer of your website. You can customize your header and footer links from the admin area. Then from the TLD settings, you can configure how TLDs behave on your website. Like you can show recent searches page on header and footer. You can select it from here. You can enable or disable the appearance of price on domain search. And the most important part is that you need to modify the affiliate link for all TLDs add-ons. And you need to put here your name silo affiliate link. So whenever someone purchases a domain, you will get the commission. And then from the manage TLDs section, you can see the list of all TLDs on your website. You can enable the domain extensions from here. You can disable them. Also, you can edit them or delete them. Then from the active TLDs order, you can see here the list of the active TLDs on your website. You can make any of the extensions as the main extension of your website from here. Then from the domain generator section, you can add, remove or update the TLDs for the domain generator. And from the Whois suggestions section, you can add, remove or update the suggestions for the Whois information tool. Then from the pages section, you can add pages to your website. Like this one, this is the home page, and if you want to add more pages, then just need to click on add page and you need to put here the page details, then just click on submit and your page will be added to your website. And to destroy the cache, you just need to click on destroy cache. It will destroy the cache from your Extreme Domain site. This is how you can use Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable from the admin area. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Okay, so we're back. So this is an actual site that this creates. It's going to allow you to check for domain availability, find the domains, find out when it expires, and when people register, you can actually get paid for that. Now, this is your backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you can have all the different domains and everything in here, all the different your website and everything to sell them. Now, there are multiple upgrades. First one is the Pro version. This gives you unlimited domains, done for you leads, unlimited traffic with this upgrade. However, what you're going to to want to do is go all the way to the bottom here, and you're going to want to click on the no thanks button. What that's going to do is going to take you to a discount page. So you're going to get the same thing here for a discounted price. Let's see if I can find it here. So it looks like it's $37 for this one. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. Next one here is it says imagine being a guru.
After getting a domain, people need a website.
And you're going to be able to get done for your stores, scale your services, upsell with hosting, in-depth training, deluxe traffic features with this. Again, hit that no thanks button to get a discount. The next one here is an automated version of this. Hit the no thanks button to get a discount. Here you can make money without using DomainGPT. So this is your it's a commercial license. And of course, hit that no thanks button to get a discount. And then this last one here, it looks like it's a club, $39 a month, and where you can actually go and learn how to make money online with this. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about DomainGPT and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, really hypey sales page. There's lots of like screenshots of like Warrior Plus proof and stuff that I just don't know how that has anything to do with this. So don't buy this based upon that proof. Buy it because you want a software that does what this does. What do I like about this? It's a neat idea, being able to sell your own domains. People have been doing this for a while. They've been like affiliates for these different companies. If you want to have your own affiliate website, essentially to be able to sell domain names and keep the money, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my DomainGPT review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.